Alright, so this little micro switch here gets toggled mechanically with that little plastic rocker arm. Anyways, I don't. These switches are measured in the amount of force that the gram force that it takes to go in and out. I think the out is kind of worn. Now they don't exactly give the specs what the original weight is, but so I had to play with a bag of different switches. But hopefully when I install this, you see the switch is doing its job, so hopefully mechanically it'll turn it on and off properly, so we'll see.